GreenPharms a sponsor for Cannabis.
Oh, okay, cool.
I was just on the phone with them for fucking 45 minutes.
That's too much. We are live.
Ooh, and we're fucking back. It's been a minute.
Could have been back yesterday, but we did not communicate.
Yep, we did not. But here we are. We are back. Tuesday. Ready to go.
We are. Here's the song.
Woo.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Morning, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
It is August 24th, 2021. Bad day for the crypto market. But Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
We're bridging gaps, Davey, between the crypto, the cannabis, the stock, and the comedy game. So many games. So many games.
So many games. We fucking love it. Huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensaries. Please go check them out in Mesa and Flagstaff, Arizona. They keep us high every day for the stock market, and they should keep you high too. So go check them out. Brian, who else do we have?
We have Cheat Code Algorithm. You know them. We love them. They're an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. It works with TradingView.com, and it sends very clear buy and short signals. Yeah, it's great. If you use the link in the description, you can get a discount, and then we get like a couple bucks, and you help support the show, and then we love you bunches.
We are smoking Purple Punch again today, at least for me.
A lot of Purple Punch. The company loves giving us Purple Punch.
Yeah, we got Purple Punch, I think, the last 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Which
Purple Punch
I'm okay
is a
with.
standard. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's one of the staples at GreenPharms, I would say.
Beautiful.
Mhm.
I
So how was
emptied
your-
half this joint. And,
Did you?
Yep, because full gram joints are just too much. They end up tasting like shit at the end for one person. So I emptied out half into my grinder.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Good for you. I used to do that all the time. Also, fun fact at GreenPharms, if you go check them out, they do the happy hour specials for full gram pre-rolls. So between 2 and 4 o'clock, go in. You can get up to 5 for $25, call it a day. You're happy. Everyone's happy.
That's a great deal. $5 pre-rolls.
Yeah, full grams.
Yeah, that's dope.
Great fucking deal. How was your weekend, though, before we start getting into stocks and shit?
So much fun. Went to San Diego. It was a blast. Yeah, ended up surfing for most of the day on Sunday. That was awesome. Hillary.
Wait, surfing.
What?
Surfing.
Yeah.
You surf?
I learned how. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. A while ago I was there and this guy gave me a quick lesson and I was able to stand up. This was like over 2 years ago now. I was able to stand up, but I think he was like holding the board to balance it. This time, Hillary's 10-year-old kid took me out surfing and taught me how to do it. Dude, it was actually pretty hilarious. Like, at one point, Devin and I went out, and she was, like, bodyboarding on one of the waves on a surfboard, and I managed to stand up, like, literally right next to her. She had no idea, but I couldn't maneuver myself because I'm fucking terrible at surfing, and I was so happy to stand up, and I'm just whacking her in the ass with my surfboard. It's just like, I'm, like, bobbing on the wave and just slapping her ass with the surfboard, and I'm like, I don't know what to do right now! She didn't even notice. It was hilarious.
Dude, I cannot picture you fucking surfing.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know. You just never came off as a surfer to me.
I stood up quite a few times. It's so much fun.
Fun fact: I have a New Hampshire Hampton Beach surf tank top. If you like that.
Oh wow.
Yeah. I don't know. It's the Rasta colors, so I got a deal for 2 of them.
Interesting.
But yeah.
Do people surf at Hampton Beach?
What?
Do people surf at Hampton Beach?
The one right above Hampton. It starts with an R. Rye Beach. Is it Rye Beach?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's where the people go surfing in fucking New England. Rye Beach.
Interesting. Gotta wear a wetsuit.
Yeah,
Wetsuits are amazing, dude. Oh my god. The water was like kind of chilly at first. You could get used to it. I went in there without a wetsuit the first 2 days we were there. But like Putting that wetsuit on, shit, you don't even feel the water. It's amazing.
Oh, bro, I'm all for the fucking wetsuit. Bro, before I came out here and got into the cannabis industry, I worked with fucking docks and boats. And, bro, my uncle would throw me in the fucking lake in the middle of March in my fucking basketball shorts.
Wetsuit,
like,
baby.
Hey. Yeah, bro. A wetsuit would have saved my goddamn life.
Yeah. Damn. What'd you get into this weekend?
Just working. I got a bunch of different vendors.
Nice.
So we partnered with Rough MMA, which is in your neck of the woods at Celebrity Theater.
Okay.
So what we're doing now is we're doing a Rough and Puff event before every single MMA fight.
A Rough and Puff?
Yeah, we're gonna call it Rough and Puff.
Okay.
So we got the final approval yesterday that we can smoke weed on premise. I'm like, okay, fucking perfect. Nice. So everybody parks on one side of Celebrity Theater, on the other side we're gonna have
Celebrity Theater is gonna let you smoke weed there.
Yes, Celebrity Theater. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm fucking saying. So like, I got another meeting tonight at 4 to go over the layout. So I'm going to be working on that today. So the idea is you go to Celebrity Theater, you go check out our vendor booths, smoke a bunch of weed, then go inside Celebrity Theater, drink, eat, watch the fights, leave.
Wild.
I know. How great is that?
That's awesome. Congrats. It's going to be dope.
I know. Yep.
So yeah, you definitely got to get me into one of those, please.
Oh, yeah. So what's so cool about that, so they're always on Saturdays, and the way this one, the one they figured out in November, it's going to be right before CannaFest. So we're going to be doing a CannaFest weekend. Fun fact. I don't even think I told you any of this.
No, you didn't. Hang on real quick before you go, because you just don't ever stop talking. Hi, Mom. Thanks for watching. Love you. You did not see Dave last week in Hudson, but you might see... Actually, no, my mom's going to be moving here in 1 week, so she won't see you when you go and visit. Now, bro, please continue your story.
Yeah, I leave for Boston on Tuesday. Fuck was I going? I don't even know where the fuck I was.
Cannabis event.
So Friday.
CannaFest weekend.
So CannaFest weekend, that Friday, so all the influencers and the people that are going to be a part of CannaFest, we're renting out a venue to party at, so people can mingle, drink, smoke, eat, do whatever you want. And then when you
Friday?
That Friday.
You mean my birthday?
Your birthday. I'm throwing a party on your birthday.
That is fantastic. I'll make sure to keep that night open, for sure. I'm inviting myself. Yeah. It's my birthday.
Yeah, so we're going to have like 400 or 500 people that are just working the event, just smoking and drinking together. Yeah.
Insane. Where's that going to be?
Elite Cabaret.
Okay. At a strip club?
Yeah, it's at an old strip club. It's not a strip club anymore, but it was one.
That's hilarious.
So they're cleaning it out for us. Yeah, I went and toured it yesterday. Very nice. So inside we're going to be, doing dabs and drinking and the food. And then outside there's a stage and a bunch of lounge areas everyone's going to be smoking weed at.
That's fucking
so your birthday
crazy.
party is going to be fucking bumping. And then Saturday we're going to do the Rough MMA thing, and then we're going to offer cheap tickets to CannaFest, blah, blah, blah. And then Sunday's CannaFest.
Wow. That is going to be a wild weekend. I'm going to have to get my body ready for that. I'll be at all those events if I can be.
Oh, and then remember in the group chat I told you this morning we're trying to find a name for our gaming one?
Yep.
I know you're great at naming. You created Concentrated Comedy.
Yeah, I did. I did do that.
Yeah,
I thought about it a little bit, but it's like, you could do like, I'm trying to think of like video game console names, because like consoles, people are like, if you said like consoles and something, it's like, that's weird. So I thought like Keef Box, Hash Box, I don't know. See, that like video game consoles don't have like great names.
Yeah.
And there's also like not a ton. It's okay. We'll think about it.
Yeah, we'll think about that. I think it's time to
expect
get
an
into
invitation to that. Oh yeah, man, we got to bring my mom to at least one of those She's gonna be here.
Oh yeah, well she'll come. She can come to the Halloween party.
Oh wow, the one on on my birthday.
No, October 23rd.
October 23rd.
Yep. So October 23rd is that gaming and Cannabis event. It's gonna be at Endgame.
Yeah.
In Mesa.
I actually might go to Endgame tonight. They have the Smash Ultimate tournament got moved from Wednesday to Tuesday, and I was like, I don't think I'm doing anything tonight, so I might go.
Okay. If you're going to be there, I might stop by, I guess. Actually, no, I'm busy. What time are you going?
I think it's like 6.
Yeah, that might be the perfect time, actually. All right, but we'll talk about that later.
Okay.
Ryan, let's talk about. Do we have any Discord talk? I know there was. I just didn't put it on the Word doc.
Yeah, yesterday, I mean, there was stuff that happened yesterday that we didn't talk about, especially in the Discord. Pfizer popped off a little bit. Let's pull up the... Ooh, that is the wrong... I'm typing on the thing and not on my graph.
I did see that it was down this morning.
It is down this morning. Yeah, it's actually... I mean, like, it didn't even... It did go... It went up a couple bucks, you know? It was down. It popped up a couple bucks on news of its FDA approval for its vaccine, and then it immediately fell right back down. I think the big news from that Pfizer thing, though, was Trillium Therapeutics, TRIL. That was the penny stock that got purchased by Pfizer, and it jumped $11.
Wow.
Yeah, almost 200%.
Was this on anybody's radar?
No. Not that I'm aware of.
Yeah, $12 in a day.
Yeah, it was pretty wild.
And it's has a support level. It's staying. It's consolidating. Look at that.
Well, it's part of Pfizer now, so.
Oh yeah. You're right,
yeah,
you're right.
It's gonna be. It became. I mean, it'll probably eventually. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it'll dip down a little bit. I honestly know zero about this. I just know that this was the hot stock yesterday, without a doubt.
Well, interesting. It's good to know. Trillium, yeah. Pfizer, man.
Pfizer,
huh?
A lot of vaccine news and just a lot of vaccine shit flying everywhere. There's a lot of like fear mongering about the vaccine and yada yada yada, and now they're trying to get people to get booster shots, and I don't think I'm going to get another vaccine jab. I'm kind of sick of it.
Okay. There was actually an article that I sent to Stevie and them this morning about Bloomberg coming out and saying how vaccinated people are worried because vaccinated people are getting COVID at an alarming rate. Bloomberg said.
Yeah, I mean, like, there was Melissa Joan Hart, a.k.a. Sabrina the Teenage Witch, a.k.a. like my second crush ever.
Oh my god.
I think just yesterday, she was saying how she has like a breakthrough COVID case after she's vaccinated. She's not an anti-vax person. And she got COVID. And yeah, I've heard of a couple people getting COVID. I was just sick for like 2 weeks with some weird chest thing. I did not get tested because the last 4 times I was sick, I got tested for COVID and I came back negative. So I was just like, I'm not even going to bother the 5th time. I'm tired of going to fucking Walgreens. And also, nobody around me has gotten sick. I shared a joint with you. I shared joints with you, Joelle, Joelle's friend, Matt. So many people. Nobody got sick.
Was that after we had it?
What do you mean?
After Joel and I had COVID?
Oh yeah, this was like a week ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I still kind of have like a cough thing, but like clearly nobody's got COVID from me. It's just something I picked up, but I don't know. I don't want to be vaccinated and get COVID. That sucks.
Yeah, you definitely didn't have it because I feel amazing, so you're fine.
That's incredible that you feel amazing. I've seen what your belly looks like. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. That's so rude of me.
I like to eat. Don't be fucking angry. I'm Italian. What do you expect? I'm fucking Italian.
Bro, in San Diego, I got DoorDash delivery from ice cream sandwiches from Baked Bear. It's like a small chain. Best ice cream cookie sandwich I've ever had in my life. If you just eat regular, like normal food, there are so many options. And the ice cream and the cookies are both incredible. But they also have a vegan chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwich that Devin got, and she loved it. It was so good.
As she should.
Just thought I'd let you know that.
Good. I'm glad. Also, when we're on this topic, that Dan and Matt and everybody back home are trying vegan products as we speak.
Oh, that's cool. The whole world's trying vegan products.
Well, I'm just saying, the 2 people back home that are anti-veganism is trying it out. Just saying.
Dan's only anti-veganism because he's a contrarian and also he eats guinea pigs, so his opinion doesn't matter.
He doesn't eat anything. I'll never forget the first time I watched him eat a squid. Like, he grabbed the fucking squid and was like, and just... I'll never forget it. It horrified me to this day.
That's horrific. I'll never forget the first time I saw Dan Flores eat a Subway sandwich. It was so hysterical. He did not understand how to operate a sub sandwich whatsoever. and he just kind of attacked it. I was like, what are you doing, dude? Eat it like, I don't know, like eat it like a taco, I guess, you know, just like a burrito. He was like eating it from the top down in the middle. He was just just like ripping off all the toppings. I'm like, dude, you're eating like a fucking animal. Like, squish that bitch together. Yeah, he ate it like such a savage. We were like 15.
What a goofball.
Ugh.
Oh, I'm glad he had people like you to call him out.
I've always called people out.
I know. Really funny. All right, fucking let's get into the stock news.
All right.
Let's talk about some SPACs.
SPAC. Branson's Virgin Orbit to go public through a SPAC at $3.7 billion valuation. My cat's trying to hop on my lap. 1 second.
Okay.
Come on. Come on.
I'm up.
There
I'm
he
up.
is. There he is. Say hey, Roxas. Oh, and DJ's walking by in the back. The company is combining with Special Purpose Acquisition Company, Next Gen Acquisition Corp. 2. The SPAC trades on the NASDAQ under ticker NGCA and values Virgin Orbit at $3.7 billion in equity. Let's pull up NGCA.
GCA?
It is at $9.85, right under standard SPAC price. I see this probably popping and then dropping on ticker change.
Okay.
What do you think?
This kind of reminds me of how Otly looks like right now. Pretty much exactly how Otly.
You're so obsessed with Otly.
I love fucking Otly.
You're so obsessed with Otly. I can't believe it took this long for you to bring it up.
What do you mean? I still want to talk about Next Gen real quick.
Okay.
Since it's Virgin or Orbit, Branson, is this worth putting on the watch list?
I'm just trying to... Why does this look like... Does this look like Otly to you because they both fallen? They look nothing alike. What
do you mean? They both went up right when it debuted, and then been down. It's been going down. It's been falling ever since.
No.
No?
No.
All right, let me bring it. OTLY.
What are you talking about?
What do you mean? What am I
you just like want to make a... There's no... This thing... I mean, like, it was only ever at like $11 for a second, this NGCA. It's just been hovering around the 10s and then slowly fell. Otly opened at 19, shot up to 30, crashed.
All right, maybe
down
it's not exactly the same, but
it's
in
nothing
my memory,
like it.
It looks very
It's
similar.
literally nothing like it. You were just sitting there like, how do I bring up Otly?
Right,
I need to.
That's not. How dare you? How dare you?
You're just upset.
Otly.
You're upset that you didn't get into Otly when you called it.
I am actually a little upset about that.
I know this, dude. I'm just telling you. Look, I love you, but this Otly and this one look fucking nothing alike. I literally have the side by side. They look nothing alike.
Okay, since June, they've both been falling.
Everything's been falling since June.
Saying, but now they're both gaining a little bit of momentum at the exact same rate. I have them both on the hour view, on the trading view, right next to each other. Since June, they are exactly alike.
I'm gonna agree to disagree so we can move past this. Do you want to talk about Otly for a little bit?
Yeah, real quick. But NGCA watch list worthy or no?
No, I don't give a fuck about it.
Okay.
It does not make the D&B 100.
It does not make the D&B. Which we need. That's a thing.
Yeah, we'll make a new watch list. The D&B 100, the ones we actually care about.
But yeah, going back to Otly, OTLY. The reason why, there's a couple reasons why I'm fucking moist on this one.
My mom watches this show. Jesus.
Geez, what do you mean? We're smoking weed and swearing, talking about stocks.
She doesn't need to hear about your moisture level.
Well, all right, touche. But the reason why this Otly is tooting my fancy is because they are having great sales, just like Beyond, BYND, restaurants. Okay. They can't keep this in stock. They can't keep this product in stock, and the fact that this stock is going down blows my mind. We are almost into a bull season. I'm still watching it. I'm watching Otly and Isaiah very, very closely. They're both looking like it has like some support level, and then when the bull market comes, it's going to pop. So I think that Otly hit the bottom floor. It hit the bottom, bro. It hit the bottom.
Okay.
I'm looking at it.
It's $15 is the bottom.
Back below
$15 is the bottom. Okay.
Do you agree with me or
no?
What do you think?
I have no idea though. I mean, like that could be a bottom. Is it the bottom? I don't know. I think you're completely. This is fucking oat milk. I know they can't keep it on the shelves, but the fact of the matter is, it's oat milk. Like you can make.
Yeah, I know. I understand it's oat milk.
You can make your own. All you got to do is you got to go to the store and you got to get Quaker oatmeal, and then you just have to put water in it before you go to bed. And the next morning you wake up with oat milk. That's it.
Yeah. Well, nobody does that.
Restaurants can. I'm saying they don't need to.
People are lazy. You know that.
I know people are, but like restaurants, okay, they can either buy Otly or one of the fucking 38 other oat milk brands, you know, or like you go to a coffee place, I feel like 1 out of every 3 is just gonna make their own oat milk.
Yeah, but it doesn't work like that. So when you like order drinks, I'm gonna assume the same thing, just like alcohol. When you go into like a distributor, when you're at a restaurant and you're buying things, I bet it's like 1 or 2 things. It's whatever that company buys from, you know. But yeah,
That's
I guess
true.
they could always make their own.
Yeah, I don't know. I think that you think Oatly's a bigger deal than it is.
Well, I just know that their sales are up. You can't keep the product in the stores, and it hit a bottom. So like it just tells me like, oh, okay, isn't that like a triple whammy? Isn't that like a good indication? Like, hey, this is a great time to buy. It's at a bottom.
Their sales are up, but did they not? They
I think
posted like negative earnings.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
Oh.
I'm looking at the red dot right here.
14%.
I mean, it was, you know, estimate was -10, actual was -11. It's not like a gigantic thing, but like.
Only earnings Q2 2021. Let's do that. Turning to the financials, revenue of the second quarter of 2021 was 146.2 million, an increase of 50.8 million or 53.3% compared to revenue of 95.3 million in the second quarter of 2020. In the second quarter of 2021, we experienced broad-based growth across the retail and food service channels. August 16th, 2021.
I'm looking at their income statement. It says their net income 2020 was -61 million. And then TTM -138 million. So it looks like they're only losing money? I don't know. I don't really know how to operate. I don't know really how to read all this shit. This looks like for 2020, so that's last year.
Yeah, that's last year. All right, yeah, but that's Otly. I just like it because that's at the bottom. Can't keep it off the shelves or keep it on the shelves. And I'm vegan. That's why. We'll move on to that.
Right.
So there's another SPAC that deal with space this morning on top of the Branson's Virgin Orbit. Shareholders approve Rocket Lab SPAC deal.
Ooh.
Vector Acquisition Corporation announced that its shareholders approved a series of motions at its annual general meeting to merge the SPAC with Rocket Lab. The approval means that the merger of Vector with Rocket Lab will close August 25th. Today's 24th.
Which is tomorrow.
At which point Rocket Lab will become a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ under the ticker RKLB.
All right. Interesting. Does Rocket Lab have a ticker yet? Or Vector Acquisition? Vector.
Yeah, I bet you type in the Vector, see what pops up.
There is a VAQ? Huh.
So I'm on rocketlabusa.com right now.
Okay.
Apparently it has launched 105 satellites already.
Oh, wow.
There's a ticker right when you log on. Good marketing, good website. You know, and they have a whole investors tab.
What is it called? Rocket Lab?
Rocketlabusa.com. Well, they're even up to date on their fucking website.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Rockets.
Wow.
Book my launch, baby.
Book my launch.
Oh,
yeah.
I'm not going to do that.
Is this worthy of putting on the watch list?
Nah, I don't really care.
You don't like it all? Nothing, huh?
It's just fucking rockets. I don't know.
All right.
It's fun website. I'll give it that.
Brian, do you want to get this next one? It's out of order.
Pentagon orders United States Airlines to help fly Afghanistan evacuees. Yeah, and then you have the next thing. I just took the one that says you. My bad. The order is for 18 aircraft, 3 each from American Airlines, Atlas Air, Delta Airlines, and Omni Air, 2 from Hawaiian Airlines, and 4 from United Airlines. Commercial planes would not fly into Kabul, but would instead be used to transport those who have already been flown out of the country to military bases.
I'm curious to see if any airlines went up today.
Let's see. AAL is American Airlines. It's definitely, it's up. On yesterday it was at 1831. It's 1977 today. I think the market is a little bit up today. So
For the stock market, yeah. Crypto, not so much.
No. Crypto didn't have a big tumble, did it?
It's Bitcoin's below 50 again.
Yeah.
Dogecoin is fucking below 30. It's at 28.9, so I'm losing money. Fucking speak. But a lot of stocks. There's a lot of stocks that are above 5% today. Look at that TCAP, 53%.
Oh, that's gross.
That's TCAP, man. That swings 30% every day. This is an NFT company.
Yeah, it looks like your watch list is more green than red. For sure.
You're not going to say the D&B 100 is more green than red?
Is this the D&B 100? We have to kind of weed it out. And how many are there on here? You know, have you counted them?
No, I think didn't you say like 106 or something like that?
I don't know. I didn't. I didn't check that. Let's see. Oh, we could.
Well, we can get rid of a couple.
I could just export this list and find out quickly.
Oh, really?
Yep. I'm not going to do it on the show, but I can do that.
Oh, that's fucking interesting. All right, yeah. So American Airlines. What about like I'm gonna put LUV. I know that's Southwest.
Yeah,
they're up.
Southwest is not on that list though.
Yeah, it is.
No, they're not.
LUV. Yeah, look at the top. It's at 4.6%. It's up there.
But they're not on that list.
Oh, not that list. Oh, I thought you were talking about my watch list. I was just saying. I was just typing in American Airlines that I knew.
Yeah, so I think the market's just up.
Well, Delta's traded, right? Delta Airlines, DAL. Yeah, they're up too. Yeah, so it looks like every airline company went up like $3 today. Or the last day, 2 days.
I think that sector's just up. What sector are they in?
Airlines?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll probably see some sort of transportation or something.
Huh.
All right. Well, he's looking for that. We got one more. Airbnb says it will temporarily house 20,000 Afghan refugees. Good for you, Airbnb.
Yeah, you're finally doing something decent.
You're doing something to help the people. Went public last year. ABNB is the ticker. So let's see how that is doing. Yep, went up again today. Oh, went up since yesterday. It went up $15.
Airbnb.
Trading at 158. Yeah. Oh, since now it's passed all the highs since before May.
Oh man, did that fall?
Yeah, it fell. But this is coming back up now. It looks like possibly up to the 180 mark, or actually no, 168, 69 mark first. Another $10, and then looks like 180.
Looks like it keeps bouncing off like 129, 130. That's nice. That's like support for it. That's good.
Yeah, I can see the next one being 170. Yeah, 170 would be a good. Yeah, it looks like it's going to grow another $10.
Think so?
Airbnb. Yeah, I think so. Let's look at it because it's past the top of July 1st. And
yeah, it's also. I mean, it's past the take profit 4 on the hour view. It's got to come down at some point. Puts for Airbnb would probably be really great to look at today.
It will definitely come down before it goes back up. I think, I don't know, maybe by mid-September it'll hit 180. Like a month. Yeah, it'll definitely lose some steam, but then it'll gain back up. That's going to fill some sort of gap.
Yeah, you're right.
So what is the watch list looking like? That's all I really got for articles. I was swarmed this morning. Swarmed.
Yeah. I didn't really have much time to look at it. I got to get going. I got
cool.
I am almost done. This job I got hired for, 36 bookcases inside what is to be a Jewish temple / community center. Finally got them all built yesterday. Now I just gotta attach them to the walls, and then I will be done. Fucking hell of a job, though. A lot of money. Very nice.
I also have your bag, too.
What?
Some weed for you.
You have weed for me?
Yeah, I got weed for you.
For this week?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it already?
Yeah.
Wow, you're really ahead of the game.
Yeah. You like that? You like that?
I do.
All
Yeah,
right.
I might make my way down to around you today, but I'm not sure.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. We love you very much. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. Definitely check out the link below for our Discord. We are just some stoners sending gifts, making money. Just remember, the bull season is coming. So come join, make some friends, and let's all make money together. Brian, do you have anything for anybody?
I shouldn't have taken a hit right there.
You probably should.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. We love you. We will see you tomorrow. Peace out. Ba-ba-da-ba-bum. Pew. Ba-ba-da-ba-boom. Pew. Yeah.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murderers on this track to try and rock your socks.
Peace.